Welcome to 224 Farley Road in beautiful Byhalia, Mississippi, a community positioned for progress. This stunning 2026 new construction blends modern elegance with southern charm. Step inside to an expansive, open-concept living area. Notice the designer lighting and the seamless flow into your formal dining room, perfect for hosting unforgettable gatherings. The heart of the home is this chef-inspired kitchen featuring premium granite countertops, crisp white cabinetry, and high-end stainless appliances. Adjacent is a dedicated office, ideal for today's remote professional. Retreat to the primary suite, a true sanctuary with spa-like finishes. With 4 spacious bedrooms and a smart split-plan layout, there is room for everyone to thrive. Priced at $383,800 and sitting on nearly 3/4 of an acre, this home offers the space and luxury you deserve. Your new chapter begins here.